Lost $528.96 today in 8 seconds. Literally 8 seconds. Quite the amazing thing, right? Yeah. This is the trade right there. But let's go into what I went in. Coming into today, basically, I was bearish because we rebalanced into this high time Fifth Valley gap. And we also created SMTs at the highs favoring ES drop down to the 1 hour. What do I see? Fat 1 hour candle. So clear. So clear. Clear conviction, price wants to go down, tap back into these New York lows, I believe that was, or Asia, something, session liquidity. Drop a bit further, what do I see? 15-minute tap in, right before market open. Clear as day. Time is fractal, price is fractal, so everything's aligning, everything's telling me bearish, bearish, bearish. Yes, bearish. So, dropped down to the 1 minute. Waited to get, we kind of had a bit of chop going on here. Waited for this chop to get closed through. Right there. As soon as that happened, I am in. As soon as that happened, I entered. Shorting, I'm a bit sick actually. Shorting like right there. Right there. But of course, contractual difference, that would be the TP. Break even right there. Nearly 0.5 hour. Yeah, this is a trade. It's a pretty strong idea, but I think why I lost the trade, everything was A+. This is like A+. But it's because of this. This candle that I ended on, yes, we had bearish indications, but the candle itself was too much, there's just too much wick going on. There's no real strength. The candle doesn't actually have real strength. There's way too much wick. Look at this, wick to wick. This entire thing is just wick. It's all just wick. So I realized that later. It's not part of my model to actually look at, okay, wick, or no, we went down here, bearish confirmation, I'm in, everything was there. But from now on, I will also be looking at this. The candle, oh my God. The candle is just cooked. Look at this candle. It is a bit cooked. So that's what I've learnt from this loss. And yeah, that won't happen again. I'm a bit sick, so it's also nighttime. But do not make the same mistakes again. I understood what I did wrong. I improved from it. This was never something that I would have. Normally I would have entered anyways. This is something that I'm completely fine with. But now, of course, I see that this probably was the reason that I got stopped out, was because of the candle wick. So, yeah, cool.